Well, the FDA gives full approval to a landmark drug to treat Alzheimer's disease. Patients and their families have been pushing for approval of the experimental medication, which has shown some promise in delaying the disease. Bradley Blackburn has more on what today's decision means.
79-year-old Susie Mitchell is living with the early symptoms of Alzheimer's disease with help from a drug called Leqembi.
I can stay active and healthy and with it.
A few months ago, with the diagnosis of mild cognitive decline, she started receiving infusions. Her husband, Tom, says her symptoms have stayed the same, which to them is a real victory.
I don't think there's been any change between even the first of the year and now.
In January, the FDA fast-tracked the approval of Leqembi, which targets plaques in the brain associated with Alzheimer's. A clinical trial with 1,800 participants tested the drug against a placebo and found it can slow cognitive decline by 27%, effectively delaying the disease by about 5 months. But more than 1 in 10 users had brain swelling or bleeding, and 3 patients died.
Without insurance, Leqembi costs more than $26,000 a year, but full FDA approval could expand coverage, including for up to 1 million Medicare patients with early cases of Alzheimer's.
We do know that there are a lot of third-party payers who are now having to strongly consider how they're going to pay and provide access to this particular drug.
Mitchell hopes more patients like her can receive the medication.
I feel like I can keep up and live my life the way I want to live my life.
Grateful for a treatment that gives her time and hope. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News, New York.